Diagram below shows triangle RST. So let's find out triangle RST. So that's question 8, huh? Okay. Next. Point U lies on the straight line RT. So U is on RT. Point U divides the segment RT into the ratio M to N. Into the ratio M to N, I suggest you every time when you write, you circle up when you write the ratio so that you know that this is ratio. They are not coordinate. Derive the formula for the x coordinate of the point dividing the line segment. So I do not know the name of point U. Let us call it xy. Let us call it xy. So we are going to derive the formula of x only. So in another word, actually, they are actually asking you, how do you find the value of x? Okay, they are actually asking you, how do you find the value of x? Can? Now, the ratio is m between these two. So when we compare, I take x minus a. I write here first, later only I move. X minus a. I will get ratio m. Next one, I take c minus x. I will get ratio n. Are you okay? Quite ugly. Let me rewrite. And what I want to know how to find out my x. I want to know how to find out my x. So I cross multiply. N x minus a is equals to m c minus x. Nx minus na equals to mc minus mx. Remember what I want, I want to find x, right? So I group x together. Nx plus mx equals to mc plus na. This part, I factorize x out. I just write it in alphabetical order. I get mc plus ma. So to get x, I just divide it down. MC plus, NA over M plus N. Yeah, just like that. Let me move it to this part lah. Okay. Yeah, like this. Ayo, cannot. Okay. Here you go. Bye. Okay, after that, let's look at part B. It is given that U is equals to 6, 2. So I change this xy to 6, 2. After that, we have 两个 RU, 2 RU equals to UT. So when I write like this, RU over UD is equals to 1 over 2. Okay, when I move this down, I'm left with 1. And then this one, I move it another way. So the ratio for RU will be 1, and the ratio for UT will be 2. The ratio for RU will be 1. The ratio for UT will be 2. Okay, settle. Find the coordinates of R and the coordinates of T. If B is equals to A plus 1, so I change the coordinate. R will be equals to A plus 1. And C equals to negative 60. C equals to negative 60. This one I don't want anymore. This one I don't want anymore. Okay, so let's see. So within these 3 points, R, U, and T, U is in between R and T. So U write alone. This is my B part 1. I have 6 and 2 equals to, 来了哈, 1 multiplied by negative 60. I write wrong, sorry. 再一次, 1 multiplied by negative 60. 1 negative 60 plus ratio 2 multiplied by 8 over total ratio. Please don't write 3, write 1 plus 2. Okay, so for y value, same thing. 1 multiplied by t plus 2 multiplied by a plus 1. 1 multiplied by t plus 2 multiplied by a plus 1 over 1 plus 2. After that, you don't solve it. By comparison, you should write down 6 equals to this. So you will have 18 equals to negative 60 plus 2a. 2a will be equals to 60 plus 18. A is equals to 3d plus 9. Equation 1. Next part. 2 equals to, yeah, I should find, never mind, this one. Okay? So, 3 multiplied by 2, I got 6 equals to d plus 2a plus 2. 4. 2a equals to 4 minus d. Algebra only lah. So since here got 2a, here also got 2a, I'm not going to use this line anymore to make my life easier. 1, 2. This is just some algebra. So equation 1 equals to equation 2. (6d plus 18 equals to 4 minus d. So I have 6d plus d, 7d equals to negative 14. D is equals to negative 2. 可以？我的 D is equals to negative 2. And 我的 A 是？哇 so messy. Two A equals to 4 minus negative 2. 2A equals to 6. A is equals to 3. 这是 B part 1 啊。So I got D is equals to negative 2. A is equals to 3. Go back here. That's why my point R will be equals to 3, 4. Because my A is equals to 3, my point t will be equals to -6 multiplied by -2. I get 12 and -2. I settle my B part 1. Okay, so this is my B part 1. After that, of course, in Excel, you cannot do like me, huh? Now, B part 2. Let me finish this question, please. Area of RST equals to 1 over 2. R is 3, 4. S is -2, 0. T is 12, -2. Remember to repeat back the first one. Okay? After that, you need to have 我不要 hang it halfway. 3 multiplied by 0 plus -2 multiplied by -2 plus 12 multiplied by 4, close bracket, minus the second part, -2 multiplied by 4 plus 12 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by -2, close bracket, your modulus, and you will get your answer, 33 units square. Okay, borrow me another 5 minutes, but I cannot return you what you said. Give me 5 more minutes. Given that the equation of locus of moving point Q such that triangle RSQ has a right angle at Q, okay, is the locus passing through this point. So if RSQ, you see from your diagram, RS will be like this. Can you look at the diagram? RS will be like this. If they say it has a 90-degree right angle, so this is your R. R is 3, 4. This is your S, -2, 0. This is your point Q, I don't know. It has a 90-degree. Okay, 90-degree. So I have to know what is this, correct? This is a very special question. Since it has a 90-degree, then I know that gradient of RQ multiplied by gradient of SQ has to be equals to -1. Gradient of RQ multiplied by gradient of SQ has to be equals to -1. So gradient of RQR is 3, 4. X Y is in y minus 4 over x minus 3. SQR y minus 0 x minus -2 equals to -1. I need to have this first. Only I can do. 可以 So y minus 4 multiplied by y over x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 equals to -1. And we expand it. Now, this one you will make mistake one, huh? So you better put a bracket. You have y squared minus 4y equals to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus x minus 6. So I have y squared minus 4y equals to negative x squared plus x plus 6. Move it nicely. X squared plus y squared minus x minus 4y minus 6 equals to 0. This is the equation of the locus. Okay? So when you substitute this value in, if you get left-hand side, this part equals to 0, right-hand side equals to 0, then it means it passed through the point. Check. When x is equals to negative 2, y is equals to 4. Your left-hand side equals to negative 2 square plus 4 square minus negative 2 minus 4y minus 6. You get 4 plus 16 plus 2 plus 16 minus 6. Okay? 4 plus 16 plus 2 plus x squared. X squared 4, y squared 16 minus negative 2 minus 4y minus 6, I get 0, equals to right hand side. So since left hand side equals to right hand side, we say the locus pass through the point. The locus passes through point. Yeah, I write beside lah, no place already. Negative 2 and 4. This is something that you never see before, right? So yeah, pay a little attention on this. And I'm very sorry because I used your 7 minutes. Okay, that will be all from me. I will see you next week.